Hey guys, I think it's recording. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna record with the 3 minutes I have left on my GoPro. I'm at the other side of the spot where the creek chose. So I'm gonna be starting to fish really quickly. I'm gonna talk quickly too. I'm using a mini mite. They're good for anything really. Got crappie. There we go, I got another one. I caught crappie, bass, bluegill, and now creek chubs on them. So they're pretty good for well-around stuff. Yeah, so we're just gonna we're gonna speed run through this little creek. Try to get one right here. I saw a big one. Right there, come on, take it. Like, I'm not trying to speed up fishing, but I'm gonna have to for GoPro video sake. I made a very long video, so this is just gonna be part of that video, maybe. I have no idea yet. So future me will say what happens with this. Sorry. A mosquito bit me in the foot, which is annoying. There we go, just got another one. Oh, this guy kind of swallowed it a little. Actually, no. There's creek chub. Those crawfish creek chubs, I still don't know the name of. They're the coolest creek fish I've ever seen. But yeah. This creek is just loaded with creek chubs. I've been fishing here for like an hour now. And, you know, after a while, they're usually all gone because you spooked them all. Ooh. Get hit? Yeah. Just trying to hurry this up. Kinda wish I could swim in here. Looks like it's nice and clear. I think I will later today. We're not swimming, just relaxing here though. This is funny with all the little guys chasing it. Shit. Oh, I see another little creek chub. Completely messed up my cast because of wind. Again, I did. Oh, where'd these guys go? I'm trying to hurry this up so much. I don't want the GoPro to die before